Ni moja kati ya wacheza filamu maarufu wa kike kuwahi kutokea katika nchi ya Kenya. Ila imekuwa ni muda tokea alipoonekana katika kipindi chochote katika runinga zetu hapa nchini Kenya, akitambulikana na wengi kama Mama Baha kulingana na karakta aliyowahi kuicheza katika runinga ya Citizen TV kwenye kipindi cha Machachari akiwa mamake Baha na Govi. Jina lake kamili ni Wanjiku Mburu. Ni kati ya wacheza filamu tajika kuwahi tokea katika nchi ya Kenya. Ileo tukipata kuangazia alipo Wanjiku Mburu, tunakuja kupata kwamba Wanjiku alipata kujifungua mtoto wake mwaka mmoja au miwili ambayo imepita, na kutokea hapo Wanjiku amekuwa ako active sana kwenye mitandao ya kijamii. The actress Wanjiku Mburu welcomed her first child at the age of 39. Mburu, who played the role of Mama Baha on Machachari TV show on Citizen TV, announced the exciting news to her fans on social media with a photo of herself holding her son. Now, continuing with the current state of where she is, the TV actress revealed in 2018 she made a prayer to God for her husband on February 2nd, 2021. God answered her prayer. She got married, and after that they were blessed with a boy. Now continuing, she said once I am born again in 2018, I purposed to go away and pray about my life because spiritually is very important. She said, hiding at the end of her fasting and prayers, God told her he would give her a child. Na hapo ndipo Mwenyezi Mungu akamtunuku na mtoto wa kiume. Now, a boy and a girl, I was like, okay, let me wait. 2 years later, I had not even found someone. When she got pregnant, she was still in doubt until a baby bump started showing. To tell you the truth, I was not convinced. It was a good surprise. I told God, sorry for doubting. I have been looking and I love children. I was dealing with children all along, but not my own. I started acting with my young Millie at the age of 6 months. I have also been brought up in a family setup, and children is something I wanted to have. But I said, in case I don't have, it's still okay. Yeah. The couple met over here before the birth of their kid in the year 2021 at the Gong Hills, which is popular for hiking adventures. And most of the time, Wanjiku tumekuwa tukimwona pale kwenye mtandao wake wa kijamii wa Facebook, keeping our fans entertained and our fans updated. But it has not been easy for her to secure another role in a TV series somewhere, because we have seen others getting back to acting, but Wanjiku Mburu has not been on any TV series really soon, but she has been doing her work so well. She has been, most of the time she shares pictures of her and her son. And as of right now, it seems that she is doing pretty good. She is a businesswoman apart from her acting career. Yeah, and she continues to inspire generations with her acting career. Yeah. About that, I bet that's all we have right now. Also, she has been advertising for some companies on social media, including Certified Homes. Ndipo mambo alivyo. Yeah, make sure una subscribe ndani ya channel ya kwetu. And you can see the transformation. At the age of 40, Wanjiku looks awesome and so beautiful. For now, that's what's up. Make sure una subscribe. Tuungane kwenye video zetu zijazo.